Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin with the Boones, and I've been dying to come to the Salty Pickle. Well, here you have it. I've been dying to come to the Salty Pickle located in Royal Gardens, right in Garden City. It's kind of hard to find it. They got it hidden and tucked away in a secret little hideaway. So what you do is you want to enter either from the pool area, and there's no beach today. Looks like they're going to redo the pavers. Take a look. And there's pools all the way to the end. If you'll take a look behind me, there is a parking garage. We came in from the parking garage, follow the signs all the way around to the pool area. Let's go try some salty pickles. The Salty Pickle. They have wings for $18, nachos for $12. They have their custom burgers, pizza, and more. They even have a breakfast pizza. Delicious nachos. Say hey, Supergirl. And there's our whole crew. What's up? And here you have it, the Booze hot chocolate in a pickle cup. Hey, he did good. Okay. So, Nikki, what'd you think about the hot cocoa boozy?
I like it. It's salty and it's warm and it's smooth.
Like smooth operator.
Yeah, you could say that.
All right, so there you have it, folks, the Salty Pickle. Woohoo! So next time you're in Garden City, make sure you check out. It's small, convenient, and
Cheap beer.
and yeah, definitely cheap beer. Until next time, keep beaching.